Hi everyone, I'm Molly and welcome to today's video. I am going to be cleaning out my car in a mega haul so you can see what I have bought. I figured I would just do this all at once instead of like little mini hauls because as you can see, as you will see, I have my car full of stuff. Alright, the first thing I'm going to start with is this tote. I have that full of some things. I'm going to put stuff into the tote as I am cleaning the car out. So in this first bag, I have this toy for my kids. Well, this is just specifically for my daughter. Obviously, it's a little girl's lamp toy. You can get a good shot of it. That is not going into the tote. This is just reserved for like DVDs and Beanie Babies and stuff like that. Oops, I tried to hit a stop. Next, I've got this pair of shoes. Pretty cool. I got a few movies here. I got The Birdcage, which is a really good movie. Hotel Transylvania 3. Gotta have that. That 70s show. And Ferngully. And then I got some clothes. I got this really cool shirt. It's got geisha ladies on it. Let's see if, okay, yeah, you can see her. And this really cool tie-dye shirt. Look at that. Yeah, that's all for that bag. And this next bag is just, that bag was from the Goodwill. This is just from Walmart. It's a Selena double feature. Well, it's Selena and another movie, so it's not a Selena double feature. I don't know why I just said that. And I've got an Easter shirt. Keeping it real. One second. Sorry about the horrible camera angles. Keeping it real. And a pair of sunglasses. You can never have too many sunglasses. Check these bad boys out. Let's see what's next. Next, I got this that my boyfriend bought for me. It's a Star Trek figure of the guy that kills Lieutenant Yar. Oh, this is from Walmart. Another Jesus movie. If you guys didn't know and you don't watch my other videos, I am really into Jesus stuff. So this is another cool movie for me. Sorry about these horrible camera angles. I'm trying to do this all by myself. I got this awesome Paw Patrol bowling set. That's for my kids. Let's see what else is in my car. I got my coat back here. A box for my new dashboard camera thing. Here we go. Here comes another bag. This stuff I got at Big Lots. So I got The Conjuring 2. Look at that price, $1.25. The Conjuring 1, of course you gotta have that. And this double feature. Mean Girls and Clueless. You gotta have Clueless in your collection. And I also got this cool Mickey shirt. And when I did buy this, I bought a Spider-Man shirt for work. But I don't have it out here. I already wore it. Look at this. Mickey and Minnie. Very cool. Alright, now back into the car. Clothes for my kids that you've already seen. Oh, here's something cool that I just got at GameStop when I was down in the Bay City. I know, this is a horrible camera angle. Trying to do this all by myself. Look at this. Five Nights at Freddy's, the board game. Gotta have it. And of course, because they were buy one, get one half off, I got this. Plus Chica. Chica is my favorite because she scares me the most. Or he scares me the most. I'm not really sure if Chica is supposed to be a boy or a girl. Trying to get a good light angle here. There we go. Let's eat you. That's what I imagine that they say. Alright, back into the car. We're almost done here. I got pajamas from Walmart. Very cool. And I got this on clearance, which I need to try out and use it right now, but I probably won't. So I'm going to leave this in my car. Now around to the other side. I got this cool Paw Patrol backpack. Gotta have that for visiting the kids. Look at that. Oh, toys are making noise. Much better than this backpack to take with you to see your kids. I bought this backpack for myself and it turned into a visitation bag, which I'm not too happy about because of the nature of the game. So I'm switching it to Paw Patrol, which I am very excited about. I got little dinosaur shoes for my son. Little Paw Patrol shoes for my daughter. And a bathing suit for her. And somewhere in here there's a bathing suit for him too. I just don't know where it is. Oh, and I got this. This was also at the Goodwill. Deep Blue Sea double feature. 1 and 2. Into the car we go. Alright, so this bag that I'm looking at here just has a bunch of clothes that I got for summer. Okay, let's look at the clothes for summer here. Just like some random stuff. Tank tops. Not too interesting. But this I got, which is very interesting. X-Files comic books. This one is freaky. And look at this one, Mulder and Scully. This is the second part to the other one. These are going inside. They're not going in my tote. I'm gonna put those off to the side. That's not my stuff. That's my boyfriend's stuff. eyes a little wet. What is this? Oh, this is a plate that I got in remembrance of my dad. Oh, I got this as a gift for my boyfriend. Robin Hood Men in Tights. But check this plate out. My dad used to collect plates that have lighthouses on them. And I found this. In remembrance of my dad, may he live on forever in eternity. He was born January 26, 1951, and he died December 12, 1921. No, 2021, excuse me. You'd be going backwards in time the other way, but isn't that pretty? It's a pretty little lighthouse. So that's going in the tote. Then over here I've got shorts that I bought at our local thrift store. Here are the swim trunks for my son. Look at that cheap discount price. Yeah, just shorts, and more shorts. Hotel Transylvania 1, gotta have that if you're gonna have the third one, and I already have the second one. These are going out. This awesome purse, look at that purse. I got a babushka. If you're Polish, you know that means it's just like a headband. Or you could think of it as like a gangster headband. I got a couple toys for my kids. I found this chapstick that was brand new for 75 cents. This little fish. This beautiful unicorn plate. And this picture that my grandmother always used to have one hanging up in our house of this exact same picture of the angel watching over the children. Alright, you guys, that's everything inside of my car. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Come back for more videos. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. And as always, you will see me in the next video. Bye! Oh my god, you guys, I have more stuff in my trunk. Alright, bye for real this time.